So this is a simple video which explains you how to convert data into tables, how to prepare a pivot table, how to delink pivot table from a formula, insert new sheet and insert calculated column in pivot table. As you can see that we have got data for country, state, district, population and the ratio of male and female. This data is sample data and it has no relation to the actual data. So I'm going to convert the data into tables. This is the one. So I'm going to select my data. Make sure that your header should be at the top row and press Ctrl T and click OK. See, if you check, my table has headers, and you can uncheck if you don't have headers in your first row. So check it and click OK. So it has converted your data into table. Now you can name this table. Once you click on any part of this table, you see that the design tab gets activated here. So I'm going into the table and I will name it as a data population. Now I want to create a pivot table from this. So I'll go to insert, okay, and pivot table. So you see that it is taking the same table name here which we have given. Now we can have it on the new sheet or existing. I'll take a new sheet and I will name it as a pivot. You can drag and drop your data in whichever way you want. State, then by district, and then I'll take population, male and female. You can convert the values whichever way you want. So you want the number format to be changed, go to the number. I don't want decimals, I want a separator by thousand, and alternatively you can click here, go to the number format, go to the number and use the same format. Even here also you can do it through this way as well. So we have got this data. Now, as I said, we have covered this part, convert data into tables by pressing Ctrl T. We have prepared a pivot table. Now how to delink a pivot table from a formula. So if say I want to insert the ratio, okay, ratio male over female. So I see that in the formula bar you see this is capturing entire formula which is not dynamic. So if I say male, sum of male divided by sum of population, if I drag and drop, it will give me the same result. So how do I make it dynamic? So the one way I can do is convert this table into 20. Now you can repeat the data labels. How you can do that? Go to the design tab again, so it will copy over all the item labels in this sheet. Now you ratio male. Now you see that it is taking ratio of a male and female country India, and it's taking all the filters like India, Kerala, Ernakulam, everything. So what I'll do is I'll make this as dynamic. So in state I will take this column. In district, delete this and take this column. Now you see that my formula has become dynamic. I'll convert it into the percentage format. Let me change it somewhere so things is not right. So in India district, sum of population. Same thing. We need to do it here as well. So I'll click state asterisk and you see that it has taken everything. It is not capturing your references because of this total, so I'll remove subtotals. And you see that our data is perfect now. Okay, so this is how you can do it. And if you want the same ratio for female, then you can go into this tab, copy or paste it, and then change this male to female, and here as well copy paste. So we can check if the ratio has been correctly captured. Total all 100%, it means that it works perfectly for us. Now the other way, if we are capturing any data from pivot table, okay, you are getting such references, then the simplest way is to press shift right arrow, so it will capture that arrow. So you can delete the one link, divide by, you can manually enter say D4, or you can go to this tab, shift right arrow, and then delete this. You will get the same percentage as we got from this complicated method. So this is my option 1, option 1, and this is my option 2. Okay, let me format it. We can lock this so that so you see there are two ways we have learned how to convert the data from pivot table. So we learned this, we learned this, and we learned this. Now how to insert a new sheet? There's a small shortcut for this, shift 11, shift F11. So it will insert a new sheet. So shift and F11. See, shift F11, it is added. Insert calculated column in pivot table. Now you have got your pivot table. I'm going to delete these sheets. Now we have got this pivot table. Let me move this data a bit. So how to insert a calculated column is, you see, once you click on pivot table, two tabs gets activated. See, it is not there before, this analyze and design tab. Once you click, it will get activated. Go to the analyze tab, and here insert the calculated field. You can give a field name, ratio. Now here you can remove zero and everything. What you can do is you can just click on any field, like I want the ratio of male population in total population, so I will do male divide by population, insert field, and say OK. And you see there it has inserted my. Now I'll show field list. Sorry for that. I will show field list and say I'll move the state as a slicer. Okay, I'll make the slicer little 3 columns. So here is my slicer. Small, and I'll put it here. So here goes my slicer. Okay, I'll make it big. So far it looks good. Now if you click, my entire formula remains intact within pivot table. If you say Punjab, Rajasthan, so this is how you can insert a calculated field. So I have covered convert data into tables, how to prepare pivot table, delink the pivot table, insert new sheet, and insert calculated column in pivot table. If you wish to download this file, I'm going to share you the link in description of this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you will like it. Come back with my next video very soon. Thank you so much.